Look at that moon. That's pretty crazy. I gotta put on my nighttime vision. There he is. Just waiting for me. He's just waiting for me to do something. It's not that far from the moon now. And then this guy is waiting for me too, hiding behind a tree. I'm gonna go see what's up with him. And then there's another guy right here. It's 3. And then another guy right here. 4. You see him on the bottom? Then you got the moon. That don't count. My main man, Mohican, right here. Anyways, you can see I'm in the regular spot. He doesn't look that close today. Yeah, they're all still out here. This guy right here is creeping me out. What's blinking on the bottom there? You see him? What's that? Oh, that's a light at the house. Phil, come on, man. This guy's like hiding behind a tree. I've never seen him hide like that before. Now look how far this guy's moved. Oh, look. UFO, I mean, that's a drone. He's behind the trees right now. He'll be coming out in a second. I think that's a plane. Ugh, I can't hold still. Yeah, I can hear that guy. He's in the top of the trees now. See him down on the bottom? God damn. How low is this guy gonna go? There's 2 of them over there. That's what it is. One guy's like really low. What the fuck? Sorry. Okay, here we are. Don't ask me what the hell that thing is moving all over the place. And then look at this guy right behind the lights. And that guy. This is weird, man. Look how far Mohicans come. He come all the way out to the end of the driveway because he thought I was walking away. Don't tell me these guys aren't following me. Now he's moving with me. He's totally moving with me right now. There's a plane, another one of those things right behind him. Way up there. See him down there? Just caught him at the bottom. Jeez, what the fuck is going on, man? There's crap going on everywhere out here tonight. See, there's another drone. Yeah. Yep.